Understanding Tribute in honor of an English language learning guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in various contexts. Tribute in honor of. This expression is rich in meaning and is often used in formal and heartfelt circumstances. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your own conversations and writings. Let's get started. First, let's dissect the phrase, tribute in honor of, to understand its components. A tribute is something that is given, said, or done to show respect, gratitude, or affection for someone. The word honor refers to respect or esteem shown to someone. So, when we combine these, a tribute in honor of someone means an action or gesture that shows deep respect, admiration, or gratitude towards that person. This phrase is commonly used in speeches, ceremonies, and written dedications to acknowledge someone's impact, achievements, or memory. For example, in memoriam, paying a tribute in honor of a deceased individual to remember and celebrate their life. Achievements, acknowledging someone's significant accomplishments or contributions to a field or community. Special occasions, celebrating milestones like retirement, anniversaries, or significant birthdays. It's important to use this phrase in contexts that are respectful and match the gravity of the tribute being given. To help you better understand how to use tribute in honor of, let's look at a few examples. 1. The concert was a tribute in honor of the legendary musician's career. Here, the concert is held to show admiration for the musician's work. 2. Our community organized a tribute in honor of the local hero's brave actions. This sentence highlights a collective effort to honor someone's heroism. 3. The family established a scholarship fund as a tribute in honor of their grandmother's passion for education. This example shows a lasting way to honor someone's values or legacy. I hope this video has helped you understand the beautiful phrase, tribute in honor of, and how you can use it to convey respect, admiration, and gratitude. Remember, the best tributes come from the heart and reflect the genuine esteem you hold for the person being honored. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to our next English language exploration together.